we have set up a simple trigger mechanism for a particular contact. And in sub journey 2, we will establish if somebody has unsubscribed, how we can pass that data back to Salesforce. We can click on activate option. So this is the contact welcome email, which is the sub journey 1. Now let's understand if somebody unsubscribes, what happens. If somebody unsubscribes, he will be unsubscribed in all subscribers. So to gather that data, we have to create another data extension, which is unsubscribe data extension. We will click on next. We will have here subscriber key and event date, which is date and time. These two things we want for people who have unsubscribed, at least from our data views. Subscriber key, event date. We will click on complete option. So now once we have created this unsubscribe data extension, what we will do, we will use Automation Studio to populate people who have unsubscribed. Generally, when we are working with enterprise, we will only be working with lead or contacts as primary keys. Whatever primary keys we have defined with manual import, just that was just for training and get started purpose. But with an enterprise, wherever you will get a job or are working, you might have seen that people are using lead or contact IDs only. So we'll click on new automation. Schedule this automation, will run SQL activity and will fire a query on our data view. We'll fire a query on data view. Select subscriber key, comma, event date from underscore unsubscribe. Underscore unsubscribe is a data view. We'll click on next option. We will overwrite every time it runs. We will select the data extension which we have to populate and click on finish. So once this query gets people who have unsubscribed, what should happen? Once this query gets people who have unsubscribed, what should happen? This query should populate this data extension which we have created. And once we have data inside this data extension, we have to update that details of people who have unsubscribed back to our contact object. So we will start with sub journey 2. Okay, we will start with journey 2, whose name we can keep as update email opt-outs. Update email opt-outs. Here also we will have a data extension as an entry source, because the unsubscribed data we are getting inside a data extension whose name is unsubscribe. but that data extension we forgot to make it sendable. If you want to have a data extension as an entry source inside the journey, make sure you make it sendable. So we have unsubscribed data extension. Click on done. So whenever journey gets data from this data extension, what it should do, we have to use sales and service cloud activities to update something back to sales cloud. There are plenty of objects. If you can't find any object, that means if you have some custom objects, if you want to update, you can have object up activity. But if you want to update any object, suppose contact object, we will drag and drop here contact activity. We'll click here contact option. This will be only this will only work when you have completed your integration setup. We will perform simple update. Click on next option. Select fields to update. Email opt out is the field we will update. Email opt out checkbox should be checked. Click next. Email opt out checkbox should be checked. The activity name is update email opt out and click on done. What we have done, we have selected contact. We will ask them to we will configure it for simple update. Person in the journey marketing cloud must have correct IDs. If it detects that the subscriber key inside data extension is a contact ID, against that ID it would update. Click next, click on done. When this journey should run, whenever this automation is complete. When this automation is complete, this journey should run. So let me save this automation. Unsubscribe data. Click on save option. Click on schedule. Schedule whenever the automation runs. The name of the automation is unsubscribe data. I hope you know this because this is the second example we are checking out how to run a journey against an automation. Evaluate all records in the file. Click on done. Go to journey setting, re-entry anytime because the journey will get data anytime. Click on activate. So now this is activated. As I have tagged this journey with an automation, you will see one more activity enabled besides this SQL query activity. This journey is running now. If I go to this automation, if I go to this automation and refresh it, I'll find let me configure it first. Repeat every 15 minutes and never. Click done option. So guys, you see that whenever we earlier I didn't save the automation. That is why before saving this automation, I activated this journey. So this activity was not appearing. So I created another version of journey. I will speak about journey versioning soon after this class. Okay, a new version means an enhanced version of journey. It is a new instance of the same journey. Then I got that activity enabled here, and I will activate this. Or let me keep it paused for now. Now, what happens is we have two different journeys. The first journey will send the welcome email, and the second journey will check if somebody has unsubscribed or not. If he has unsubscribed, then it will update the email opt out status back to Salesforce object. So let me see how many contacts I have. Okay, what I will do now, I will create a new contact. Once I create new contact, I am not marking this email opt out field as true. I'll click on save option. Once I click on save option, what happens? The welcome journey for that particular contact should get activate. The welcome journey for that contact should get activated. So let's refresh this. It should get email soon. Let me check my email. So I got the email welcome contact. I think this was the previous journey I taught for another batch. Skip this journey. This welcome contact was the subject line which I just used. Let me refresh it again. So this is the journey contact welcome email. It received the creation of contact in real time. You see that it has received the creation of contact in real time. Now, as I have received that email, what I can do is I can click on unsubscribe. Once I click on unsubscribe, what will happen? I will be unsubscribed from Marketing Cloud all subscribers. As I will be unsubscribed from Marketing Cloud all subscribers, I can get my unsubscription data to the data views. So let me run that automation now. Now this is the automation which I will prefer to run manually for the demo purpose, but later I will schedule it to run every 15 minutes. We will click on select all activities, click on run and run now. So let's see if it detects if my contact ID is unsubscribed or not. This is my contact ID. Let's see if it is unsubscribed or not after this automation runs. So it is running. So now the automation ran and it identified how many people have unsubscribed. So let me open that data extension to check if we got our data or not, because we just unsubscribed. We have this unsubscribed data extension where we have all the subscriber keys. So this was the subscriber key which received this email, and I unsubscribed it, and you see that it has been unsubscribed and has been registered inside this data extension using that SQL query activity. Now let's open this update email opt-out journey, the second journey. We will refresh this journey to see if the automation pushed that contact inside this journey or not. So it has received around 72 records. These 72 records were part of this data extension, but only matching record whose IDs are matching with a contact ID would be enabled for contact update. That means there are 72 let me refresh it again. Out of 72 opt-out requests, let's see how many opt-out requests are successful. So out of this 72, it says that one request is successful, 71 are error. 71 are error because contact IDs are not found. For one successful, contact IDs are found. You can click on view details option to see which ID was success and what are errors. So you see that one was success. So this is the contact ID whose email subscription status got updated inside the Sales Cloud. Copy this ID and open that contact. Once you open that contact, this is the same contact which received email, and you might see that email opt-out status is updated. Go to details option and you see that email opt-out is marked as true. That means this person was unsubscribed in Marketing Cloud and we have updated his status in CRM as well. So now people who are working in sales or service, the business team who is actually selling the products to customers, know that they don't have to send emails to this person because he has unsubscribed. So a very important interview question here: how you will update unsubscribes back to Salesforce? How you will update unsubscribes back to Salesforce from Salesforce Marketing Cloud? 100% this will be asked in your interview. All these are real-time scenario-based interview questions we are doing. We have done a lot. I have not mentioned previous projects here in this sheet. I have started with loyalty program, but if you see here, plenty of examples we have done till now. So this will be 100% interview question. So journey has a very important, or you can say crucial role handling Salesforce data. You can get data from Salesforce to Marketing Cloud in multiple ways, like synchronizing the data, but there the interaction is not real time. It is near real time. That means 15 minutes of delay is there at least. But if you want to have something real time, then you have the journey. Journey can receive the data in real time. Journey can send data back to Salesforce based on the logics you define. We have just updated our object called contact, but you have plenty of other object activities. Like if you want to create a new account, update a new account, you want to create a case. Okay, somebody might ask you to create a case. So let's take another example which I am going to tell you now, where we have to work for a journey 3. In journey 3, what we have to do is journey is email is sent to contact for marketing purpose. Customer might want to know more about the product. Customer might want to know about the product. Customer might request a call back from the callback button present in the email. From the callback button present in the email. Okay. If we get a callback request, we have to create a case in Service Cloud and assign it to an agent to discuss the opportunity with the customer over call. So email is sent. This is after we sent a welcome email. Okay. Then the second email we are going to send is second email after welcome email is sent to a contact for marketing purpose. Customer might want to know more about the product. Customer might request a callback from the callback button present in the email. If we get a callback request, we have to create a case in Service Cloud and assign it to an agent to discuss opportunity with the customer over call. This journey we will discuss in next class, but I have given a problem statement for you to apply brain and create on your own. If you are able was I audible, guys?
Yes, Harshit.
No, but till where you listen to me? Did
You told you have given an assignment, and after that, what was the, nothing we had left.
so have you listened about this assignment which I was talking about?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So do you have any questions, guys, for working on this assignment? This I have pasted inside the chat. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Or you
Yeah,
want me
sure.
to explain it again, I can do it. Tell me.
Um, Harshit, one question. I mean, specifically for this, the problem area that you have given us to work on.
Yeah,
So the journey is first they'll get the welcome email, and then
yeah,
second email after welcome email is sent to contact for marketing purpose. So irrespective of whether the contact uh, gave us any response or not, we will send a
yeah,
marketing
yeah.
email. Is that correct?
Right, right. Suppose you registered on Peoplewoo, okay, we sent
Yes.
you a welcome email. Then next time I sent you another marketing email, marketing communication that we run
Mhm.
batches for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now you wanted to inquire more about Marketing Cloud, so you clicked on a button and raised a callback request. This is
Okay.
a real time scenario how companies are marketing. Okay. So
Okay.
that callback request, now marketing team won't call you. There is a sales or service team who will be calling you. So you have to assign that details to a service agent inside the sales cloud by creating a case. By creating a case in service cloud.
So we capture your the response and then we assign a case
Yeah.
to the concerned salesperson, right?
Right, right. And
Okay,
it
Harsh.
should be into a same journey. Okay. Here I created two different journeys, but try to do it in a same journey. So if you send a welcome email, try to have 1 day of delay. The next day after 24 hours you send the marketing email, and then you wait for 2 days if a person has requested a callback or not, because 2 days are sufficient for wait. Okay, if he has requested a callback, then you have to take a decision to you know send that data to sales cloud. If not, then fine.
That's it.
Okay,
So
Harsh.
it requires a lot of configurations we have already seen inside the journey.
Yeah.
Okay, then copy this statement I have pinged in the chat and
No,
try
Harsh,
to.
is not there.
Sure.
I have
Thank you.
it's there. Can you check?
Okay, Harsh. I'll check. Yeah,
I have
Harsh.
given WhatsApp as well. Okay. Okay then. Okay, guys, we'll connect on Monday. Let's try to solve this problem and let me know where you are stuck. If you are working and you are stuck, you can ping me on WhatsApp as well within the group. I will try to give you approach. But there has to be a single journey to solve this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Harsh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.